Hi guys, welcome to another fantastic video. This is Kingsley from Obinnar.com and welcome to another great video. So before I dive straight to what this video is all about, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. I thank you guys for subscribing to the channel as well. We've hit 500 subscribers, which is good, and I say thank you. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon as well so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Okay, so recently this happened. I want to show you guys. So my website just got Google AdSense approval, and if you want me to start sharing tips about Google AdSense and how you can make a website and how you can monetize using AdSense, just leave me a comment in the comment section so that I will see it, and I'll be making more of those videos as well. So this website Obinnar.com just recently got AdSense approval, and I'm happy about that. So if you go to the website now, this is the website. If you look down here, you're gonna see ad. This is an ad here, and if you scroll down again, you're gonna see another ad. So this is the website. So if you want information about e-commerce and tech and any other techie stuff, you can come to the website Obinnar.com and you will find the information. As you can see, there's a lot of information here and you can read it up. So this video I want to show you. So in this video I want to show you guys, I want to answer a question that I got from one of our subscribers, and he said, is it possible to monetize a Google AdSense, a Google site with AdSense? Whether it's possible to monetize Google sites with AdSense. So I'm going to answer that question now, and that's why I'm making this video. So I have a lot of questions that I'm going to be answering in upcoming videos, so you guys to stick around with me, subscribe and watch those videos. I'm going to be answering the questions as frequent or as fast as possible as I could. So this is Google sites. Okay, so if you don't know Google sites, we have talked about Google site a lot. You can watch my you can watch my other videos. You will learn more about Google site. So this is Google site. Let's say you've created this website now with Google site. So it's loading up. I want it to load up. I want to show you an example. So it's loading. Okay, so let's say if you created a website with Google site. Okay, it's loaded, and this is it. So we've created this website with Google site, we've added our contents, we've done everything we need to do. Now I want to start making money with it, and I want to know if it's possible for us to use Google AdSense on this website. Now I'm going to answer the questions now. The answer to this question is it's never possible to use Google AdSense on this Google site. And you want to ask me why. Now I'm going to answer the question. Now Google sites, one of the limitations of Google site is you don't have access to the backend or the the HTML or the code of this website. All you just need to do for this website is just to create it, add your name, text and all those things, and it's as simple as that, and your website is up. So you don't have access to the HTML and the coded version of the site. Okay, so if you want to use AdSense, you need to have access to the code, because AdSense is going to give you a code to place on the header section of the site. And since you don't have access to this to the HTML of this website, you can't be able to place the code. So that is a major factor. So you can't use Google AdSense ad on Google sites. That is the supreme answer, and that is the answer I want to share to you guys. So you can use Google AdSense ads on this website, but you can also make money with this site through several ways, and not one of those ways is using affiliate marketing. And if you don't know how to do it, because I don't want to show how to do it in this video, if you don't know how to do it and you're really interested, just go down in the comment section and tell me you're interested, and I'll also make the video and show you how to do affiliate marketing using Google sites. Okay, so you can use Google site you can use affiliate marketing and Google sites to earn money as well. You can also sell things with Google sites and earn money as well. So there are a lot of ways you can earn money with Google sites here, but if you want to make money using Google AdSense, you can't do it using Google sites because you don't have access to the code or the HTML version of the website. And access requires you to verify you are the owner of the site, whereby they will give you a little snippet of code to add in the header section, and you don't have access to it, so you can't be able to add it. So that's why you can, monetize this Google site with AdSense ad. Okay, so that's an answer I want to give you guys today. I also have other questions I'm going to be answering very soon, so stick around and and watch out, and you're gonna make it. So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon as well. And I'm going to be making more videos of now to show you guys many other ways to make money and start up your e-commerce business and promote it as well. So like I told you guys, this site Obinnar.com. If you have any question, you can come to this site, check around. You're gonna see something that you're gonna see some article that I've written that might interest you as well. So I believe you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please stick around, don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.